Hey Blitzers! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use our brand new AI agent in Blitzit to speed up your workflow with minimal effort. To start, open Blitzit and find this little guy here. His name is Blitzy. Click on him to open the chat window. Here you can talk to Blitzy using text or voice. Let's walk through the main things it can do for you. Blitzy can create new tasks, subtasks, notes, schedules, estimated time, and place everything into the right list. Let's try something simple. I need to buy groceries at 7 p.m. today. I need fruits, rice, milk, and bread. I have just 20 minutes for that. Blitzy understood everything correctly. It created a task titled Buy Groceries, scheduled for today at 7 p.m., added estimated time, and included notes. As you can see, it handles natural language pretty well. You can specify exactly what subtasks or notes you want if you need them. Let's do it in a simple way here. Convert the notes into subtasks. Now we have 4 subtasks added and notes removed. Blitzy suggests to add the task to the content list because this list is open now. If you want to change anything, just tell it. For example, add another subtask to buy coffee and move this task to the personal list. Blitzy updated the task. You can keep refining it until you're fully satisfied, or adjust it manually. And once everything looks good, click Add Task. Let's check. Yeah, it's right here in the Today column. Blitzy can also edit anything you've already created. If you want to change the name of the list, just say something like rename Blitzit list to Blitzit tutorials. For tasks, type the add symbol to reference the exact task you want to update. You can then rename the task, add or edit subtasks, add notes, schedule it, log time spent, move it to another list, or switch it between backlog, this week, and today columns. For example, I want to dedicate 45 minutes to it. Blitzy will always ask you to confirm the action, just to make sure you can review the change and tweak it if needed. You can also add notes using voice. Let's head to one of the tasks. Open Notes, click the mic button, and now you can record your message. Like this. Ask Alice for hotel recommendations. Easy. At the top of the chat window, you can see 3 buttons. Start a new chat, open chat history, and the X button, which closes the chat. In future updates, Blitzy will get even smarter. It will help you prioritize your day, flag important tasks, turn meeting notes into actionable tasks, and analyze your workflow to help you stay in the flow and avoid burnout. Try out Blitzy and let us know in the comments what you like and what you think should be improved. Thanks for watching, and happy blitzing!